The high winds caused many Bakersfield neighborhoods to lose power today. 17's Karen Hua went out to survey the darkness.
Many local businesses, homes, and schools in the dark for hours today. The winds bringing life to a halt in some areas.
The lights, they flashed a little bit and they never came back to normal.
Kids in Oildale are crossing 2 hours early today. The high winds letting them out after Beardsley Junior High lost power for 3 hours.
You can tell by the way the wind is blowing about my sign.
James Hendricks hanging in there.
Well, I'm hoping that I don't get any sicker. I have asthma.
Restaurants like Tembler Brewing closed for the afternoon. Traffic court on Buck Owens Boulevard went dark in the morning, then resumed at 1:30. Medical centers like Kern Regional shut down for the day.
My father-in-law had a meeting with his caseworker. We'll probably just have to reschedule it.
Consecutive traffic outages have left many frustrated.
As you can tell, they don't pay me no mind.
But Hendricks is choosing to see the best in people.
Well, a young lady pulls up right next to my car and says, "Hey, you guys need a dust mask on." So she gave me one and my partner across the street one.
He hopes the community can practice some patience as they navigate the dark.
I think it's better for them to take a little bit extra time, be polite, be courteous, because it's going to take the same amount of time to get where they got to go.
For more information and maps on how your neighborhood is affected, head to our website, kget.com. In Oildale, Karen Hua, 17 News.